Hi guys, welcome to How to Library. Today I'm going to show you how to make your Spotify playlist private. So, right now I'm Spotify's home screen, and at the bottom there's like 4 icons. Home, search, your library, and premium. We're going to click on your library one. And after that, these are where all your playlists need to be. So, you're going to pick one of the playlists you want to make private, and after that, right underneath the picture there's an enhance, a little like a person with a plus sign and a 3 dots icon. So we're gonna click on the 3 dots icon, and then you have a few options: add songs, edit, make private. We're gonna click the third option, make private. Are you sure? Yes, we're sure. We're gonna make it private. And that's how you make your playlist private on Spotify. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye guys!